Bodybuilding, that's I never looked at it as a sport. It's more of a pageant. I'm trying to look better than everybody. It's a pageant.
I just never heard nobody say that.
It's a pageant. You're not okay. You're stronger, but he looks better than you, so he's gonna win.
So you say, hold on, KP. You mean that you don't want to be with a bunch of men with baby oil on? You don't want to be diddying up?
I don't want to be.
You don't want to be diddying up. And that's what you're saying. You don't?
No diddy.
Why not? Right? No diddy. I mean, nothing wrong, man. You know, you get your lady, put baby oil on you. You can
and for me, it's just the way dudes go about it. They go so hard for another man's approval. Like this is a judge telling you, okay, you won. You look better than these guys. And that's an opinion.
Is it true?
It's all subjective.
It's all subjective.
Like you might think Chris Bumstead shouldn't have won none of them shits, but he won them all anyways because the judges said so. If you look at Mike Menser, that nigga looked better than Arnold,
good.
Bro.
But it was like they have something they say with the big stomach or something like that.
He was.
But you're right. I never heard about it called the pageant.
Shatters a lot of men's ego
just because you ain't bigger than the next dude.
Yeah.
It does.
Look at the guys that never win. You get 10th place and no one knows who you are.
Nobody knows. I mean, it builds what they call body dysmorphia.
Yeah.
I think it builds that.
I don't like that. I don't want to. It's toxic. Females are starving themselves just to get on stage. They look terrible. It's not good to me. It's not unhealthy.
Just be as healthy as you can.
Word.
What about real death?